entering the ring from Washington, D.C., weighing 290 pounds,